So let's look at the next thing we can do with the natural language API, which is analyzing parts of speech. So I have another request. So it's just I copied part of the previous request. So I really do love this movie. I saw it on opening night and have no regrets. So it's very simple. We just use a natural language API to analyze um, the parts of speech of this text. So I'm just going to refactor the old command that we use. Here it's going to be request to I named it request 3, but yeah, it's fine. Just name it request 3. So request 3.json, and then here instead of analyze entity sentiment, it's just going to be analyze syntax, and then enter and open it. Hopefully there is no, yes. So so we have all the parts of speech here. So the first one, I, is a pronoun. It's a first person singular. Here you have really, which is an adverb. Do, which is a verb. Yeah, so you can have all the parts of speech of your text. You can also build something called a dependency parse tree to show how the words in this sentence relate to each other if you are in that kind of research area. So this can help you. So you have the dependency edge over here, and then the head token index. So if you're in that kind of area in machine learning, this would be really helpful. So yeah, there are other things that you can also use this for, the natural language API for. You can also use it for text translation, but I will leave the text translation for later. Yeah, so hopefully you learned some things in these videos about using machine learning APIs. And yeah, after doing API, naturally the next thing we would have to go to is vision. So how to use the vision API in GCP. And to add, it's not only English text that the natural language API can work on. I think it can work on um, probably 80 languages. The same also applies to the speech API. It works on more than 80 languages, right? So you can try other languages and then see how the API performs. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.